Welcome to the 2024 Agora Advanced Gynaecological Laparoscopic Surgery course, hosted at the scenic Richmond Rowing Club on the Agora River. We are now on the second day of this remarkable 3-day event, with participants joining us from across Australia. This course is uniquely designed for RANSCOG trainees and fellows at all levels, helping them elevate their laparoscopy skills and advance their surgical expertise. Our program is outstanding, featuring guest speakers who are impairing their knowledge in a wide array of laparoscopic surgery topics. In addition to lectures, we've incorporated practical sections to enrich the learning experience. Each participant has access to both an individual Agora lab trainer and an applied medical trainer, offering hands-on practice in gynecological laparoscopic surgery, from fundamental techniques to advanced suturing. Moreover, we are excited to include a live surgery segment, providing participants with an authentic operating theater experience. The Agora Medical Education team is delighted with the enthusiasm and progress shown by all participants and is already planning for the future laparoscopic courses.